Hi guys, it's Angie with Itty Bitty Crafts, and I'm coming today to do a quick project share on a Rosie Posie kit. Most of you all know Rosie. If you don't, just message me and I can get you her information. She does kits. She's been doing them for a few months now, and she has totally been rocking it. Um, so she had a dress form, and I totally fell in love with it, and so I ended up getting a dress form from her. And some of you had seen me put this together on some lives, and so she's totally finished, and I was hoping I'd be able to raise my camera high enough to show you this because this dress form is at least 15 inches tall, probably a little bit taller with this spindle on top. Anyway, so her kit came with most of what you see here. The only thing I added was this little brooch flower collage that I've been making and my own green ribbon and some appliques from my Esme stash, my hoard, because hers seem to work on everything. But the majority of everything comes with the kit. She gives you more than you need. I think I usually try to use everything up, but I think I had a few flat back pearls left and whatnot, but I usually try to use everything that's in the kit, and then if I kind of just want to add a little bit more, I go ahead and do that. But this is a total amazing Rosie Posie kit, and the sheer fabric that I got was this cream off-white, and it had this really green vine work with these little flowers on it. And I thought, oh my gosh, I went and dug in my ribbon box, and I couldn't believe I had the green I was looking for. So anyway, so I just, the way I did mine is I painted the bust part down to about in her mid-waist, and then I added some appliques on her, and then this floral collage that I do. And then I did some chain work, as you can see here. There's a couple layers of chain, and then some dangles, some pearls and a key, and my little tag that says homemade. So those are the dangles on the side, so you can kind of see better there. And then my collage floral thing that I make. I love making this. Like I've told everybody, this is kind of what helps me start off a piece, and it just goes from there. I did it like a choker there, and then the way I did my skirt, it came with some satin underneath, and then I put a layer of this next, and then I took the other part and kind of folded in half and kind of just draped it in the front and attached everything in the back. And then, well, here's some chains on the front too. I just thought that looked really cool, and some bling. And then a satin belt. And then to make it poofy in the back, I kind of just brought it together here. Like I said, I'm not a seamstress by any means. I just fiddle around and just pin it and secure it the best I know how. And then I ended up with kind of like a gap in the middle. I didn't like that. So this also came in the kit. And then this one was in the kit. So I just kind of layered it and I like the back to be really full and poofy. So that's how this back turned out, really poofy. And then I did some satin ribbon here, and then these little fluffy rosettes kind of thing in the back. And then a piece of trim here. And so yeah, this is Rosie's kit. She has awesome kits. So you guys, I'm not sure what her next kit is. But she is doing, I think, a kit a month. So anyways, if you don't know Rosie, just let me know. Or if you need her information, just let me know and I'll get that to you. She'll be more than happy to help you out. But anyways, this is my Rosie Posie kit. Good job, Rosie. I love your kits, honey. You're doing such an awesome job. I love to support you. And thank you for the support. It means the world to me. But I hope everybody's having a lovely day. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.